Welcome to Stephanskirchen, welcome to ARRI Lighting. Here in Stephanskirchen we have decades of aggregated knowledge for developing and manufacturing lighting products. The development of new products at ARRI always starts with market feedback, which is regularly being collected in our interaction with the customers. The final product itself, the lighting fixture or the lighting system, is a conglomerate of all these requirements, and as such, the products are regularly being awarded by the industry for their level of innovation and excellence. Throughout the history of ARRI, there have been products and events that have defined the course for the next years and decades. For example, the launch of the Sky Panel was one of those. I'm a strong believer that Orbiter will reshape the way modern content is being created.
The knowledge of logistical structures and processes is the basis of a successful supply chain strategy. These are defined in the product design before the production of a new product starts. A process-oriented supplier selection and development based on the experience of Sky Panel and a corresponding new supply chain design are key for the success of Orbiter. A high degree of process automation for stable quality standards and the necessary flexibility in a changing competitive environment gives ARRI the opportunity to continue manufacturing at our traditional locations, engineered and handmade in Germany.
After 20 years of engineering at ARRI, the Orbiter was a very special and challenging development. Besides the normal LED problems with cooling, complex color metric and the proper control of driving the LEDs and controlling them, we had to create a totally new light engine, which is really at the edge of today's technical possibilities. This is a very compact 400 watt multicolored light engine with a very good spectral composition, a large color temperature tuning range, still with a high efficiency, but also with a certain light characteristics which allows to attach different types of optics to the Orbiter, which is maybe the key feature. Another point is that we put in much more computing power, memory and interfaces than ever before in a fixture in order to allow future extensions, networking functions and software updates. And there are quite a couple of ideas what we will do with this product in the future.
Orbiter offers a huge range of features and functions, even more than Sky Panel. Our newly designed production concept incorporates an extended test setup, including 2 calibration stations, one for the light engine and one for the color sensor. For the best light quality, we align the reflector positioning accuracy on the light engine and calibrate every light engine individually to the ARRI colorimetric system. Equally, we calibrate each color sensor by 24 light spectra. The assembly is carried out by our employees, who are skilled and trained with years of experience in the assembly of high-end LED products, ARRI's L-Series and Sky Panels. After the assembly process, we let the Orbiter burn in for 2 hours to check the performance. At last, we carry out an end-of-line test, where we are testing 14 interfaces for their function and verify the light quality by 320 test points.
Our product concept for Orbiter was simple. Create a very versatile and powerful LED point light source, enabling a great workflow experience and boosting on-set creativity. To realize such a complex product like Orbiter and to achieve our goals, we enabled a team of highly skilled members of all across the departments within ARRI Lighting, from marketing to manufacturing, from production and purchasing to engineering. ARRI products are used in various applications such as location, studio, live events or still photography. Across all of them in our industry there is one common need, and that is maximum product quality. There are different aspects to product quality. For sure, durability and longevity are crucial ones. To buy ARRI fixtures means to invest into the future and to buy products with a long lifetime. Hence, we offer a 3-year extended warranty period. For electronics, even 5 years service part delivery and up to 10 years for mechanical parts. Orbiter comes with a full pack of innovation. Some highlights to be mentioned. LIOS, our lighting operating system, offers the user a huge range of options and comes with a very intuitive, fully new designed user interface. While the quick lighting mount, QLM, any Orbiter optics can be recognized and data be used for workflow in post-production. Orbiter's core element is ARRI Spectra, our new multicolor light engine, the next generation of light engine. At ARRI Lighting, we share your passion to create scenes and atmosphere to support great storytelling. Orbiter is our toolbox for your daily work. Explore more, expect more. All its possibilities make Orbiter illumination reshaped.